Let's talk about Mughal dynasty in summary. We won't be following the timelines, but we would understand the key developments and the key Mughal rulers during this period. So the first was Babur, who started the Mughal dynasty. Now Babur was the one who had the first battle of Panipat, and in this first battle of Panipat, it's important that later on it was his son Humayun, but after Humayun came Akbar, and it was during the time of Akbar that the second battle of Panipat was held, where he defeated Hemu, right? So this is one of the important things that we must understand. Now under the Babur, one of his autobiographies was Tuzuke Babri. He had few of the major battles. One was the Battle of Khanwa. In the Battle of Khanwa, he defeated Rana Sanga. The next important battle under the reign of Babur was the Battle of George, and here Afghans were defeated. The next in his hierarchy was Humayun, his son, and Humayun remained out for nearly 12 years in exile. During this time, Sher Shah Suri came in, and Sher Shah Suri was one of the military persons under Mughal army, and he built what was known as the Grand Trunk Road or the GT Road, and this was from Peshawar to Calcutta, one of the major developments. Along this, there were many sarais that were built, and he started the idea of converting from coin to rupee and numerous other developments that took place. After Humayun, however, his son came to power, and he was Akbar. Akbar was known for his religious outlaws, which was respecting the religions across, respecting all religions, and Dini Ilahi was his sect that he started. Now another important thing during the time of Akbar was the development of Fatehpur Sikri. He built the Fatehpur Sikri, and he also was one of the major persons who brought the developments in the socio-economic sphere. One of his major battles was the Battle of Haldi Ghati, and this was the battle with Maharana Pratap. Now Maharana Pratap with Man Singh was one of the major leaders during that time. After Akbar came his son Jahangir. Jahangir was also known as Salim. He married to Noor Jahan, and he actually built the Noor Mahal as well, and he was one of the leaders during which the British Hawkins came to India. After Jahangir, there was Aurangzeb, who came to power, and after Aurangzeb we saw a sudden decline in the Mughal dynasty, with Bahadur Shah Zafar being one of the last Mughal rulers during 1857 revolt, where he was exiled to Rangoon later on. Now Aurangzeb had numerous wars. One of his major war was with Shivaji, another major war was with Tegh Bahadur, and this was during the Sikh revolt that took place. So those were some of the major key developments that we had seen under the Mughal dynasty, the major rulers that came into power. We would be covering a gist of other rulers and other dynasties and the major developments during their period. The timelines have been discussed in each of the editions separately, so you can just check out the Mughal dynasty lecture for more comprehensive detail, but this is just a video to give you a broad outlay about the major developments. Thanks for joining in. We'll be bringing many such interesting videos. Have a wonderful day.